Choosing the right machinery is half the battle in the tissue converting industry. Zode Machinery has focused on tissue converting equipment for 13 years. We are more than just an equipment supplier, but your reliable quality guardian. We implement strict source quality control to deliver tangible, reliable quality worthy of your trust. Our workshop is equipped with complete CNC machining equipment, with more than 50 machine units in total. All core components and supporting accessories of our equipment are independently produced and tested in-house. This fundamentally solves common pain points including frequent breakdowns, recurring malfunctions and delayed after-sales service. Our in-house CNC machining capability allows us to maintain precise dimensional accuracy for every component. This ensures steadier, more efficient machine running, drastically cuts failure rates and greatly extends equipment service life. We also provide flexible customization to meet diverse product specifications and production capacity demands. Whether you operate a small, medium or large tissue converting factory, we can deliver perfectly tailored solutions to match your needs. By partnering with Zode Machinery, you are not only investing in high-performance production lines, but also securing a reliable long-term partner. We streamline your tissue paper production operations, cut unnecessary troubles, and help you steadily boost your profitability. Feel free to contact us for detailed equipment information and customized solutions. You are warmly invited to visit our factory to witness our manufacturing strength in person.